Samazi leaves Grace Bible Church and joins ECC with his mother. Local celebrity Samazi Mlongo wasn't going to take homophobic comments by a pastor at the Grace Bible Church on Sunday sitting down. Mlongo walked out of the sermon after Bishop Dag Heward-Mills called being homosexual unnatural. After walking out of Grace Bible Church, Samazi had this to say: "I wasn't going to sit there and be offended. This is who I am. I am a gay man. Get it straight into your skull. My soul is alright with my God. Let me deal with my God and my soul. Don't tell me. I am proud and I'm going to remain gay for the rest of my life. Even my mother is proud of me, and that is why I will now be attending ZCC with her."